to fawwazhassan channel. Today is the part 3 of the Scratch tutorials, the motion blocks. So in this video the main concept is the coding, the complicated stuff of the Scratch, the main art of the Scratch, and it shall be not complicated. We will do by steps and finally we will done it. So the first blocks, motion. What do you understand by the term of motion? You all know motion when the body is not at the rest and moving step by step. So today's lecture is going all about motion and its blocks. So if you see the normal sprite, the cat I have, if I just take this block, move 10 steps and put it here, and this is the code section below. This is the code section, and we put all the codes in this section, and when we press it, the action is being repeated on the sprite. So if, for example, if I just touch it, it moves 10 steps. If you notice on the sprite cat, it's just moving on the cat 10 steps. Furthermore, you can see that I have pressed it 120, so that means that I have hit by 12 steps. We can also change the value. For example, I want to be like I want to move it by 50 steps. So just take this bracket, change the value, and you can write anyone. You can, for example, I want 50. Press 50, and then press this button. Now it will move by 50 steps. So this is the easy block, and I'm sure you will understand too, because I don't think that it's so complicated to understand. You can see that it's just moving by 50 steps. Okay, so just remove this block here and change these values by 0 and 0, exact center of the stage. Okay, so the second block, turn right side to 15 degrees, and this one is turn left side to 15 degrees. Now what the degree is? The degree of movement, you can say that they're in the two angles form, but in Scratch the term degree means to be following into the direction of the degree. So like if I just press it, the degree is 90. Now when I press it, 105, 120, 135, 150, then it will be 165, and then you can see it is just rotating by 15 degrees by all of the stage, and eventually when it will come towards 90, it will come towards its normal position. But I don't want to face it to 15 degrees. I want to face it by 30 degrees. So when I change by 30 degrees, let's erase it, 30, and when I press it, now it will move by 30 degrees. 180 and 2, 1 minus 1, negative 150, then negative 120, negative 90, negative 60, negative 30, and 0. So this is the degree term. Same result for that left hand side. You can see that it is moving by negative towards the left side by 15 degrees. You can also change the value by 30 degrees, 30, and down. Now it will move by 30 degrees. So this is a coding degree block. Now the next block, just you can see delete this block by putting into the code section in the code one. Now the fourth block of the motion blocks, go to random position. Now if you notice, there's something hidden over here, and when you press it, it just says mouse pointer. But first we'll understand the random position. Random position means it will spawn to a surprising position, to a random position. Like I press it and it will come towards the random position. Now it will come here. It's on the computer's you can say user, and he will know where the random position will spawn. Okay, this is all the random position though, and this is the mouse pointer. Mouse pointer means the mouse pointer, it will fall towards the mouse. For example, when I press this, my mouse is here, so it comes towards here. But let's see, if I take this mouse pointer here, now it will come towards that block. You just notice, yes, it just following the mouse pointer. I can't say this, take this block here, so that because the code section is here and I want it here. Okay, so this is the mouse pointer and the random position. Now go to x -240 and 109. Then what does this block mean? This block also means that you have to go the way the value is x is -240 and y is 109. Let's press it. Yes, it comes towards the -240 and by 109. We can also change it, like I want it to the center of the stage, 0, and the y value, let's not be 0, that's 5. When I press it, now it will come because the 0 by 5. You can also see there the x0, y5 and y5. Okay, so we can use it anywhere. You can see if it is even far away, we can just press it and it will come towards the value 1. So this is, and when it is already at the position, it will not come because it is already at this 0 by 5 position. You can see that. Now there's another block hidden. Glide 1 second to the random position or the mouse pointer. Now what does this block mean? This block means to glide towards a random position. For example, when I press it, it glides here. Then when I press this button, go to random position, it just, you can say, goes to random position without any walking or without any gliding. But this glides it. You can see that. But I want it has a bit speed now. I want it to glide to 3 seconds to the random position. When I press it, now it will glide towards the 3 second to the random position. You can see it's gliding. And this one, just, you can say, no gliding, just directly goes where he wants, random position. And the mouse pointer, let's see that I want it to be here, and when I press it, it will glide towards the mouse pointer. I'll take it here and it will glide towards the mouse pointer again. So this is a glide block. I don't think that it is too complicated for understanding, and this random position block too. Now glide 1 second to x -240 by y -132. Now what does that mean? I just take this cat towards the next corner, but when I press it, it comes and glides 1 second to the values given in the x and y one. It's the same the value that I have already used. Go to -240 by 132. The only difference is that it goes directly without any gliding. You can see that. But yeah, without any gliding, or it just goes directly. But this one glides it. It doesn't go directly. It goes just in a way. It glides, not that directly. So this block is also easy, not that difficult. And point in direction 90 degree. What does that mean? It means simple, not it just pointing towards the direction 90. If I press it, it's already at 90. If I just could say not this now, I'm not video, I'll just, yeah, this value. So when I point it towards 90, it will point towards the 90 direction. Now these are some different blocks. Change x by 10. Okay, and when I just hit this button, move 10 steps. So I don't think that these two blocks have much difference. So just, you can see a negative x value, and when I press it, you can see the value changing by 10. And when I press this one, oh sorry, it is doing the same work. If I say change x by 40, it will another corner, and it will now change x by 40, and this will 10. So I don't think that this is too much complicated. And if you want to point towards the left side, and you can say this one. Now it will move towards the 10 steps. but it's not moving to where I want. It's just moving towards the white side. Is that the problem? Because we are telling him to move towards the positive area. We have just to change the value by negative value. Oh boy. Now it will move towards the left side. Okay, so this is all thing, and I'll just use say put these anything and set x to, wait a second, I'll just use say put this into the 90 degree. Okay, perfect. Now I will take the second block, which is set x to negative 195. It's all when I just say the x value is 50 minus 50. When I press it, it will come towards the value which I have given. Let's see, I want it to go 90, so it will come towards the value x and 90. Same as the value y. So you set y2, I guess 88, and now I can also join these blocks and it will become one coded. So when I press these both, they will come at the same position like this. Ta-da! So the two blocks commanding in one section, and the last one that change y by 10, it will come change y by 10 everywhere, and it will be moving up. And when I want it to move down, I'll just say -1 negative 15, and now it will move towards the downward by 15. So this is the only all blocks in Scratch, and these all blocks are a bit complicated, and they will understand by when you say a pro in Scratch. So this is all in this motion blocks. Hope you see again, and please like, share and subscribe the video. And if you feel any trouble in the video, just be free to ask the question, and I will be here to ask the question, and I will try to answer that question. So bye bye. Hope you see again.